stock number 413830. It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. You can see the front bumper is no good. Headlights no good. The grill looks alright. That headlight looks alright, but the latch is broken on this, so I can't lift it. Yeah, I can't lift the hood up because the latch is broken on the inside. You can see the passenger side fender is no good. Rear bumper looks good, deck lid looks good, spoiler looks good, the quarter panel over here looks good. Actually, this quarter panel has got a little dent right there. But the back door looks good, the driver door's no good, front fender's no good. The driver roof airbag's deployed, the driver's seat airbag's deployed, the steering wheel airbag's deployed. It does have a key. Seatbelt's good. It does have a sunroof. It does have a key, it does not start. That or the battery's just dead, I believe. This is stock number 413830. It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. It does have a key, it does not start.